how to speed up your internet connection. Okay, let us start now. Open DNS. You can see this open DNS, the fastest, the safest, smartest DNS service on the planet. This is completely free. This is the IP number and how to get started. Okay, and how to get started, go to control panel, network and connection, network and sharing, and local area connection, properties, select the internet protocol version 4, take the properties. As you can see, the number is already in the prepared DNS service, and the other one is the alternate DNS server. Close, false